Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mrs. Daniel, and in this video, we're just going to do subtracting integers. The last video was on adding integers. This one's going to be on subtracting. So here we go. The good news is, if you know how to add integers, then you can subtract them, because what we are going to do is we are going to turn all of our subtraction problems into addition problems. And plus, I kind of like to add more than I like to subtract anyways. So here we go. The first example I have set up for us has a 6 minus a negative 10. It's always nice when people include the parentheses in to show you that number is negative. It's not mandatory, but it's definitely nice. So here we go. The rule for subtracting integers is very, very plain and simple. You are always going to add the opposite. Okay, so I'm writing that at the top. You are going to take your math problem, and some teachers will tell you that you're going to keep the first number, you're going to change the operation, and then you're going to change the sign of the second number. Okay, so they'll tell you keep, change, change. And what they're really telling you is to take your first number, change it to addition, and give the next number the opposite sign, so that this problem says 6 plus positive 10. Okay, so our 6 minus a negative 10 turns into 6 plus 10. Well, all of a sudden 6 plus 10 is a really easy problem, and it's just 16. This is taking a positive 6 soldiers and adding to them another 10 positive soldiers. And so I end up with 16 positive soldiers together ready to go to war. So check. So let's look at the next problem. So in my next problem, I have a negative 3 minus 8. And again, in all subtraction problems, it doesn't matter if they have the same signs, the different signs. The rule is going to be this guy right up here, okay? We're going to add the opposite, which means keep the same number in the beginning. It means change the subtraction to an add. And it means take this 8 right here, this 8, which is a positive 8. Okay, that sign right here in the middle, that's a subtraction sign, and we change that to the addition sign. So I'm going to take that positive 8 and I'm going to make it now a negative 8. Okay, and over here I'm going to use my addition rules. I know that these two guys have the same sign. Okay, they are both negatives. And if they have the same signs, I'm going to add them and keep the sign. So I take my negative 3 soldiers and I give it 8 more soldiers, and my team is stronger now. I have a negative, and let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have a negative 11 soldiers all lined up, ready to go to war. Okay, so for subtracting integers, there's one rule. We're going to add the opposite. Okay, to simplify that rule, you can keep, change, change. All right, thanks guys.